the communications market is poised for disruption. Unprecedented demands and new opportunities will dramatically reshape the telecom services landscape, including new winners and losers. To stay ahead of the competition, you need a truly differentiated approach. Welcome to the sound of disruption. Building on a proven history of delivering Tier 1 connectivity infrastructure, Coriant is leading the way to open software-driven solutions that will radically reduce network costs and increase network agility. And because no single vendor can provide a best-in-class solution for all applications, Coriant has launched a unique, multi-sided partner ecosystem that combines Silicon Valley-style disruptive innovation with a software-defined hyperscale infrastructure to maximize new revenue opportunities in today's fast-paced age of digital transformation. From solution definition to go-to-market acceleration, Coriant is orchestrating an entirely new customer value proposition. The result is truly disruptive and differentiated. Want to stand out in the new communications landscape? Contact Coriant to find out how.